So what are the common symptoms of sinusitis? Well, obviously nasal congestion, difficulty breathing, the classic stuffy nose, sometimes stuffy and runny at the same time. So it's like all stuffed up, can't breathe, but yet you're dripping. So with the runny nose, you can get leakage out of the nose or leakage back into the back of the throat. So this is where that's what's referred to as postnasal drip. And that can be really, really irritating to the throat. So sometimes people can get a sore throat simply from that postnasal drip. People commonly have to constantly be clearing their throat, and there's just this constant irritation basically in the back of the throat. There can be pain in the face, headache, redness, pressure. Like for me, it was whenever I would push that, it was really quite painful. And you look in the mirror and you could almost see, this area here and some of the areas up here were puffy. You could literally see how puffy and red it was. Yellow-green mucus typically will indicate infection with heat, as I said. Sometimes it could be because you're sick in this situation, right? So fatigue, sometimes there can be fever, difficulty sleeping from difficulty breathing. If left untreated, bacterial forms can spread to the eye, the brain, or even nearby bones. So we do want to, you don't want to do what I did and kind of disregard it and think it wasn't that big of a deal.